Brent here, American English Guy 2, and in today's lesson we are going to talk about the difference between a squirrel and a chipmunk, and we'll also talk about the very difficult English verbs gather and scurry. And if you can use these two verbs in your conversation, you are probably going to sound really advanced. Let's talk about the first animal. You might have these animals where you live. We have a ton of them where I live, and that's a squirrel. And the thing that makes a squirrel different from a chipmunk is the bushy tail, at least to me. And I also see squirrels scurrying around the woods gathering acorns. Chipmunks, I don't know, maybe they do eat acorns. I've just never seen them gathering those things like squirrels do. Let's talk about that verb scurry. To scurry means to run around in a lot of different directions. If you've ever seen a squirrel gathering acorns, you could say that they are scurrying. Let's say you went to the store and you had to get a bunch of items, and then you got home and you forgot a couple items. Maybe you're baking a cake or something and you forgot eggs and milk. Well, you want to go back to the store, but you don't have a lot of time. You might scurry around the store gathering those items. And there's the other verb we need to talk about, gather. That is when, I only have one hand because I'm filming, but you are picking up a lot of different things. So squirrels definitely gather acorns in the woods. Before you do laundry, you might gather up all of your dirty clothes. Yeah, we sometimes use that phrasal verb, gather up. You also might gather firewood before starting a fire. Hope this short English lesson helped you with your English. If you're looking for another lesson, there's one right up there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.